everyone, my name is Kelly Roberts and welcome. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm going to do this art journal page. It's all going to be about her hair today. I'm going to be doing hot pink hair and it's going to cover over to this page, and I just love doing hot pink hair. I don't know why, but it just makes me happy. So that's what I'm going to do today. Also, I'm going to be finishing up her face, so it'll almost be like one of those get ready with me videos they have here on YouTube. So I'll be using my watercolor paints here, almost like makeup, to finish up her face and really bring this face to life. Finally, have you subscribed to my channel? I would love for you to do that today. And also, if you like this video, be sure to press the like button. I would appreciate it. Okay, let's get started. bye.